Did you know one of the biggest mistakes that people make when trying to improve their health is starting with extreme challenges? And I'm sure you've seen them before. For a week, no dairy, no alcohol, no bread, no sugar. The list goes on and on. Drink a gallon of water every day for 7 days a week. And I'll be honest, before the week is over, people have already fallen off. I used to do these challenges and I always felt like my motivation fell off, right? I'm really trying to complete a goal based on how I feel. Influencers are telling people that it's a lack of discipline. Either way, I felt defeated. But the real issue is that the challenge is too extreme for your nervous system to sustain. See, when the body feels overwhelmed, it doesn't build consistency, it goes into protection mode. Excuse me if I get a little emotional because it really reminds me of late night conversations I would have with my sister. Like many other women, she genuinely wants to make healthier choices. But when you have challenges that are presented to make you feel like you have to suddenly eliminate everything, no sugar, no bread, no snacks.
Know how I feel. Why would you say that? Like, you put me in such an uncomfortable situation. Like, you know I'm not happy. You know I'm trying to see if it'll work out here, and I know that it's not.
Water all of the time. For someone who has spent months, even years, building different habits throughout the day, changes like this overnight can be really extreme, okay? Really aggressive. And honestly, the nervous system often responds with resistance. Now, in the 9 years of training, not only other clients, but myself, I have found the sweet spot, okay? And this is exactly why I have designed my system differently. I don't begin with extreme challenges. We start with 7 days, not because 7 days will magically change your body, but because 7 days allows someone to start rebuilding structure without overwhelming their system. See, this is more about a psychological reset. It gives the brain a time frame that feels more manageable. When someone starts with something realistic and structured, the nervous system responds differently. Instead of pressure, you notice more safety and control. This is what allows you to build consistency. Now, if this video resonated with you and you're that someone who is tired of starting over or tired of being stuck in survival mode, this is exactly why I created my 7 day reset. It is designed to help rebuild structure step by step. I'll leave the link down below.